Hello and welcome to Recorders Dance and Sing. This tutorial forms the second part of our look at Couperin's Canaries and doublés, the challenging yet fun bit of how to add the ornaments. I don't pretend that this is a thorough study of applying French Baroque ornamentation, but I do hope that it will serve as an introduction. I have made some changes to the original to reflect the fact that we are playing it on a solo wind instrument rather than a plucked keyboard instrument from this period. But the vast majority of the ornaments have been taken directly from Couperin's original score, and their interpretation is based on Otter's Table of Ornaments for Wind Instruments, which was published within 5 years of this canary appearing. Here's a demonstration of how we hope it may sound by the end of this tutorial, but for the moment I'll omit the repeat of the B and C sections. I have chosen to play this canary on a tenor because I think the piece suits the lower sonority, but if the tenor is a big stretch for you, you may find it easier to keep the ornaments neat by using a descant instead. In terms of notes and rhythms used, this tutorial is suitable for lower intermediate level players. However, it would also present a rather enjoyable challenge for the upper intermediate player as well. Our goal is to transport ourselves back to the supremely mannered world of Versailles during the reign of Louis XIV. I've absolutely loved exploring and playing this canary. I hope you do too. If you haven't already printed off a copy of all the scores, I suggest that you press pause, prod the printer, grab your tenor or a descant and a pencil, and see you soon.